299.99 plus VAT for the DEWALT First Fix nail gun kit, which comes with a charger, not one but two 5Ah rechargeable batteries, and this fantastic case to put it all in and keep it safe. I've been trying to get this for you all year. You've been asking for it all year, and we're delivering. Only available at JJ Room Supplies branches on Friday the 28th of November, which is Black Friday. Limited stock, one per customer, and when the stock's gone, it's gone. There's no comebacks on this unit. So $299.99 plus VAT, our fantastic DEWALT First Fix nail gun kit, because it's a Black Friday Steve Steele.